I have a presentation and I am so nervous and my voice is choking. Where do I hide? How to get rid of this nervousness and how to be so confident that you can go and fluently speak everything that you have practiced for so many days. You're nervous and nothing comes out from your mouth. So, in this case, what you should do? Let me think. First thing, if you are planning to go for a talk or you have something to present in front of a huge audience and you are getting palpitation and oh my god, I'm so nervous and you are not able to breathe properly, how are you going to talk? It is really tough. First, what I said is very correct. You're not able to breathe. So, first thing you need to bring your breathing to a pattern. Just relax your whole body because when you get nervous, the whole body is acting that way and the breathing also gets compromised. So you really need to bring your breathing down, relax your body and mind. It doesn't matter if you're sitting with people, slowly close your eyes, relax your mind, take a deep breath in and exhale. Do this practice few more times and relax your mind, relax your body and relax your nervous system. That was the first point for you to prepare yourself in front of a big gathering where you're going to speak. The next point is, it is very difficult to by heart everything what you're going to speak. So what you can do is, you should have the concept clear. If you have the concept clear, you can present any way you want. You can always write down the main points, keep it ready and handy. Number 3. Keep your audience engaged. Interact with them. Talk to them. If the session is not interactive, sometimes it may be boring. When you interact with audience, you become more and more confident. Okay, before we move to the next point, if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on the notification for future videos. Okay, got it. What is next? Yes, I'm coming there. Point number 4. Engage your audience by asking questions and let the session be more interactive. So when you see somebody talking and giving a presentation and there is no interaction from anybody, it gets boring. So definitely it is important to add questions. When you present something, ask audience questions. When you ask questions, that session becomes very interactive. When you get answers from the audience, you become more confident and you can perform very well. Number 5. You should have very good confidence. It's very easy to say, but how do I build confidence? So all those things will definitely bring confidence in you. That's why I'm keeping confidence at last, because when you practice all the things that I have mentioned earlier, you will anyways develop confidence. When you know the subject matter and when you know what you're going to speak and you know that the session is going to be interactive, so at any point you get stuck, at any point you miss some point also, you can ask question instantly and get answer from people. You can move forward with the topic. So that is the confidence you need to build on you so that you can perform better. I'm sure all the tips will help you to become a very good presenter and you will not get nervous at all. So whenever you feel nervous, practice all this that I have mentioned and see the results and try to be natural, go with the flow, be interactive and keep smiling. So keep practicing all this. I'm sure that you will get benefited by this video. Take very good care of yourself, stay blessed and stay happy. Don't get nervous and keep smiling.